Hey Kelly, we're off to work today again. Yesterday, client got a skip and we've had to fill that full of loads of old bricks that they've had. Apparently it used to be a place for making bricks. What do you call those? Masonry, something like that. But yeah, a place that they used to make these bricks. And they're so old, they're just crumbly. So we had a wood pile and that to sort out yesterday as well. So today we're going to see what the client wants next. One of the main reasons that we have to cut all this hedge down is because our client has been inundated with all this bindweed and they've not been able to get through this stretch of their nice flowers. I don't know what they're called. Here you go, have a look. You guys might know. But yeah, we've had to cut it all down to about knee height just so they can get in and clear it all through. I mean, we might even end up doing it. We tried before for a couple of weeks to get all this out, but it just doesn't work. But we're getting there. We are getting there. Tara's just said, anyone that's worked with bindweed before, you know how relentless it is. It's very hard to get rid of. That's why it's an invasive species in the UK. That's what we're here for, right? Try and help them out. Good veg, lots of good veg. I think my sister would be impressed with this lot. Remember you had that problem with the caterpillars? Well, this is a butterfly net and the cage. I don't know how much they cost, but it might be worth you getting one of these. It'll stop your stuff getting eaten. Although down there, the slugs have done that. But compared to what you were getting, yeah, well worth getting a butterfly net, especially for your veg. Tara's put me under scrutiny because I've missed bits apparently. She says, oh, look at all these little tendrils. You know, what's with all that coming up? Oh, really? Oh, look. There she is. Look, she's done all this, but she's missed all this. Look at that. Yeah, my turn now. How does it feel? But yeah, Tara's turning all these back into shrubs, like getting all the weeds and all that lot out from in between. It's a dog's life. And then, yeah, sorting out the rest of this. But I'll cut the rest. It's all right. But look at our view. It's not a bad view for work, is it? Not a bad view at all. That's a nice view. But that's a nice view too. You barely see her in there.
What is it? The elf?
The elf?
Oh, yeah, who's that dude that does the... Who's that dude? What is he looked for?
Oh, the forest fae. Well, at least you're not walking around with a portaloo over your head trying to go over logs.
Oh, don't, that was so I haven't seen anything that hilarious in a long time.
It was, yeah, it was really funny. Doing well on that, babe?
Jeez. Feels like a losing battle.
So yeah, Tara's started to doing all the shrubs and that through here. It looks nice. Just cleaned up the patio nicely. And then all this hedging.
Don't you mean patio? Oh my god, that's so amazing.
Yeah, that's what I meant to say. That patio, oh my god, that's amazing.
Patio, oh my god.
Oh, okay. Patty, oh my god, that's amazing. Donut. She had a go at me for all these tendril bits, but I've chopped a load of them down, I think. But it's cool. This is the waste from it though. Ow! I've got to clear all that lot up along there. Whole trailer of this stuff. Oh! That there was the wood pile that we made yesterday. And yeah, it's just so the old compost heap's gone. They were put into the other raised beds over there. And then all this wood was soaking wet. So you can see now that it's started to dry out. That the client can either use for, you know, new fence posts or their log burner or firework night. That's coming up, isn't it? So anyway, crack on. Done a good job there, babe.
Thanks. Oh, looking pretty.
Yeah. Awesome. Awesome. So there we go, Cully. That's just some of the other stuff that we do. It's not just cutting hedges and mowing grasses and stuff like that. Yes. Noisy vans. As you saw from what Tara was doing, sometimes it's about re-establishing those beds and getting those shrubs looking nice and beautiful, much like her, eh? Ah. Anyway, happy hopping.